Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I want to give an update about what I showed here in this video. What to do to generate watch time. Well, the video that I uploaded was from Jakob Ingebrigtsen. It was just before here. So even though it has copyright, let me show you also. Someone didn't like it. But look, 957 views, 43.2 watch time hours, and even someone subscribed. So you can see that it's worth it. Okay, nobody watched it last 60 minutes, but from time to time someone's watching here and there. And the good thing is 2 minutes 42 on average. It went up into 407. So it could be more. It will get 1k, that's sure, because it's growing. 15.1k impressions, 2%. Most are browse features. So if you go here, you can see the home page. That's most of it. That's good. There's a notification, search, direct, okay, or unknown and others. So there should be, yeah, here. So the thing is, I think the race started just before 48%. Yeah, when they finish. So yeah, more watch at the finish than at the start. But only 42% are there at 30 seconds apparently. Okay, which is less than usual because it's 50% usually, or even a bit more. So the highlight is here, yeah, and the dip comes because the race is over. That's normal. You can shorten the video so you don't have this and maybe start later, like here, 132 to 610, something like that, and you might get more views. But that's not a guarantee because the second most seen video doesn't even have that high of an average time, like here, and 47 subscribers. That's crazy. 2.3k watch time hours, 45.8k views. It's dropping though, but still people actively watching it. And that's also a lot of impressions. 3 minutes and 6 seconds. So, and it dropped on 11:15. Despite that, you see here 56% are watching at 30 seconds. Now here race is over. You can see it because it's extended to the back. So probably it starts, yeah, it's about to start, and that's why people watch almost half. So you see, even like this, it works out pretty well. That's the proof right there. See how fast it grows. Yeah, I mean right away the reviews, obviously, but after, yeah, just after one day it reached 1k, and then it went even faster and faster, and was about the fastest over here, and then it slowed slightly down to even more. I mean here it was 432, it's only 91, so you see the difference. Even though it went up a bit here, yeah, depends on the time of the day, the weekday, the manufacturers, but eventually it will always slow down because this video, which is surprisingly second now the last 28 days, but here you can see it was raising so quickly in a day, and especially here, look, 8.9k to 24.2k, and then it slowed down, and it remains low. But despite that, look, keeps growing. It doesn't stop. So it never stops. Even if it's like only 60 at the peak and only like 10, it's always getting views. It never stops. 103 subscribers. So, and over 6k watch time hours. I know it has copyright, but if you want subscribers and watch time, I mean, this alone already has way more than the required watch time. It isn't that long. 1.7 million impressions, that's a lot. Yeah, 3 minutes 36 on average. It varies over time. Reason is the same. Here at the start, 49%. 49% at 30 seconds. Slightly lower than the other, but look, 59% here. That's high. And you see there are drips. Yeah, the start goes down and up. It's a bit more, and you have to peak. So we have highlight. Yeah, it's the zone. It goes up here because the race is about to start, and in dips because the race is over, which is pretty normal. Again, here you can shorten it, 712 and 120. But I prefer to keep it like this, and you see there are people watching through because I have end screen elements. 2.9% pressed it, which means they watched through, even 8%. Some pressed 2.2% on average. Most videos don't have it, but this one does. But since a short time, unfortunately, I only added it like back here. I mean, yeah, about here. Somewhere like if I had done it here, I would have gotten more subscribers. So add this end screen element, it's very useful. Anyways, bye, see you, bye.